Welcome to the Unified Pre-Login Password Management video. In today's session, we'll be going through the first-time user process, where a user verifies their identity and then sets their preferred email address and phone number to verify the multi-factor authentication challenge question, as well as set the values to the security questions in the first-time user process. Once those values have been set, the user can then leverage the reset password tool, which again will set a multi-factor authentication notification out to one of those contact methods, and the user can verify their identity that way and reset their password. If you're confused along the way, we have pre-login help that'll guide you through both the first-time user and the reset password details. To start the process, a first-time user would go ahead and click on the link for first-time user, and then they could go ahead and enter in their college ID. So in my case, that's the mouse. You're going to be asked for your last name. In this case, it's mouse. Once you've entered in your username, your last name, it's going to go ahead and bring you to the screen where you can go ahead and set your security questions. So it'll let you set the question and the answer. So you can pick from the set of drop-downs which questions you'd like to answer. And then you can go ahead and type in your answers. So I'll just go ahead and type in test here. All right, and so I can go ahead and save those values. Next, I can move over to the email address. So I can either set this value, or I can go ahead and type in a new value. So if I go ahead and send that out, it'll ask me to enter in a new verification code. And so I can grab the verification code and paste it into here. And I've successfully updated my secondary email address. Again, I can do the same with the phone. But we've gone through and we've updated our security questions, and we've set our email recovery option. After going through the first-time user process, the user can now leverage the reset password functionality. Once you click on reset password, simply type in your username, and you should be confronted with the questions that you set the answers to in the first-time user process. Answer these questions as they're presented. Again, you have the ability to skip a question if required. All right, once you've successfully answered the security questions, it asks you which validation option to send the multi-factor code to. So I'll just choose the email address here. And so it went ahead and it sent the security code out to my email address, and I'll just go recover that and enter in my security code. So if I go to my email, I can look for my verification code. And here it is. So I can just type that back into, type in the security code into the section and hit submit. And then you'll be able to reset your password according to the password requirements for the institution. Next, we're going to go ahead and check out the help feature. So if you're trying to log into the College of the Desert portal here and you're having trouble, you can click on the help button. And so here's the help page. The help page gives you information regarding new students, returning students, content that may be required before logging in, either about how to log in or details on how to access different systems, when systems are available, and so forth. So again, this is the help section, and it's available on the outside of the portal. Well, this takes care of the kind of three-step process for the first-time user, being able to leverage help information before logging in, and then being able to go ahead and reset your password, again, should your password expire or just need to be reset.